What's up, creators? Welcome back to the channel for another video. As you probably already found out, when you are starting your own brand or your own business, you need resources. Well, in today's video, I have one resource for you that could be just what you need to help your brand or your business stand out. Finding the right resource for your business could be very expensive, but it doesn't have to be. So that's why today I decided to share with you guys one such resource that I found that could help your business stand out. And not only is it gonna be cost efficient, it's also gonna be super easy to use. And the best part is you don't have to wait for a turnaround time. For those of you guys who don't know what a turnaround time is, the turnaround time is basically the amount of time that you have from the moment that you place your order to the moment that you receive it. And when you're hiring people to do some type of freelance work for you, there's always going to be some turnaround time. Doesn't matter how fast it is, there's always going to be some turnaround time. Not to mention that it's going to cost quite a bit depending on how fast you want the work to be done. One of the things that helps small businesses succeed is their ability to stand out. Standing out means having the right marketing strategy and having the right tools at your disposal to be able to do what it is that you want to do. Let's talk about marketing for a second. Right? You can't just go online and do a written post telling people to check out your merchandise without actually showing them what that merch is. If you have merch that you want to sell, then you need to show people what they look like. But if you are a content creator, you need to grab their attention so they can click on your video so they can actually watch that video. But the first thing to do is to catch their attention. And the way to do that is by having a thumbnail that stands out. Creating a thumbnail can be very stressful, but guess what? It doesn't have to be, which is where resources like Canva comes in handy. In my last video, I showed you guys just a few things that you were able to do with Canva, but there's a whole lot more that you can actually do with Canva that I couldn't even make a video to go over everything. Regardless of what you need to help your business stand out, Canva has something to offer you. Whether it was social media posts, business presentations, or flyers, business cards, logos, you name it, Canva has something to help you out. If you guys are like me, you probably don't even remember that you need to have a thumbnail for your video until after you've posted that video. Now you might be freaking out thinking about, am I going to have this thumbnail done on time so I can release this video? If you hire somebody to do it for you, then the turnaround time may not be fast enough for you to get it. And if you're gonna be using one of those photo editing softwares to make your thumbnail, then you may not have the time to actually sit down and make a good thumbnail. Well, with Canva, you don't have to worry about any of that. It is so easy and so fast to make a thumbnail with Canva that it's not even a joke. And the best part is they have a free version. Now the free version is limited even though you get a lot, but the amount of storage that you have is very low. So you may run out of storage depending on how much you use it. And if you choose to go with the paid version, that in itself is already not a lot of money. I don't remember how much it is off the top of my head, but I'm going to make sure that I put it on the screen so you guys can know exactly how much you'll be paying if you choose to go with the paid version. And talking about paid version, you guys do understand that this free content that I'm making for you is not actually free. So a way that you can help support the channel is by using our link to Canva and sign up today for your subscription. And it's going to be at no extra cost to you, but we will get a small portion of that to invest back into the channel to continue making more content for you guys. And of course, don't forget to like the video and comment down below to show your support. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more videos like this. Real quick, we're going to jump into the computer right now so I can show you guys exactly how fast it is to make a thumbnail with Canva. And trust me, anything else that you need to make with Canva is just as fast, if not faster. All right, so let's get into the computer and let's make a thumbnail. All right, so we are in the computer right now and I've already have Canva open. And as you guys can see, all my past thumbnails, all past designs that I've done. And if you follow my other account, you will see some of those thumbnails. And I even have some thumbnails for this channel here too. Like this one, you guys should recognize this one. And you guys should recognize this one. And I have a whole bunch more thumbnails that I've made using Canva. All right, first thing first, to make a thumbnail, you need a picture. I've already went ahead and took that picture. So now let's go ahead and find it and upload it into Canva so we can start with our thumbnail. First of all, we're going to go to Canva and type in YouTube thumbnail. And now it's going to bring up all the templates that it has available, and you get to pick whichever one you want. And once you've uploaded your picture, you can redesign it to however you want it to come out, or you could start from scratch. So let's see if we can find something that we like, and we're going to go from there. All right, I think I like this one, so let's go ahead and choose that one. So Canva went ahead and loaded it up, right? So now we need our picture. I'm gonna go to uploads, and we had already found the picture that we wanted, right? So I think I'm gonna be using this picture, and we're going to drag and drop it here and let Canva do its thing. All right, so we have chosen our template and we've already uploaded our picture. So what we need to do now is change the text and add our picture to the actual thumbnail. All right, so let's start by changing the text. We're gonna call it making a thumbnail with Canva, right? So we got our text. I'm gonna keep that part one. We got our text here. Next is the picture, right? I wanna remove this one because we do not need it. And then we're gonna bring our picture over. Now, automatically it adds it to this location. Not too bad, but that's not exactly how I want it to show up. And I also want to remove the background. So I'm gonna click on background remover, let it do its thing. And background is removed. Now let's resize the picture to make it how we want it to. Right. All right, I think just like that is how I want this to be, except I want a different background color. So let's see if we can fix that. All right, so there may be a faster way to do this. I don't really know. But what I did, I just added the picture where I wanted it to go. And I right click and click on apply page color until it landed on the right color that I wanted. And the way I was able to do that is when I was setting up my page, it allowed me to choose the colors that I wanted for my brand. So when I click on apply page color, it just kind of rotate between all the different colors that I had. So that's what I was able to do here, because I didn't want the black background because I have a black shirt on and I wanted to stand out from the background. So I changed it a couple times until it landed on the color that I actually wanted for the background. So there we go. Pretty simple. And this is my thumbnail. This is what I wanted to do with the thumbnail. As soon as I saw that template, I knew I wanted to do something like this. Overall, this is how I actually wanted the thumbnail to look. So what do you guys think? It took me less than 5 minutes to make this thumbnail, and I think it's a pretty good thumbnail. And not to mention the fact that we actually did remove the background from the picture. That's how fast you can do something with Canva. What did you guys think about making a thumbnail with Canva? Do you like it? Is it something that you're going to sign up for? If you're going to sign up for Canva, please make sure to use our link down in the description because it would help out the channel a lot. And that's it for this video. Make sure to drop a like and comment down below to show your support to this channel. And if you're new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more videos like this. All right, I'll see you guys next time in the next video.